Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Nidus Tech. If you want to learn quick and easy Excel tricks, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to calculate the sum and average of a range of numbers in Excel. Let's get started. First, let's set up a simple example. Here, we have a table where the cells in columns C to H contain numbers. For example, this could be your weekly sales data or exam marks. Now, we'll calculate the total of these numbers using the sum function, and then we'll find the average using the average function. To calculate the sum, follow these steps. Click on the cell where you want the sum to appear. Type the formula, equals sum, C3, H3. Press Enter. And just like that, Excel calculates the total values in the range C3 to H3. Quick and simple. Next, let's calculate the average of the same range of numbers. Here's how. Click on the cell where you want the average to appear. Type the formula, equals average, C3, H3. Press Enter. There you have it. Excel calculates the average of the values in the range C3 to H3. A quick tip, if you want to make this process even faster, you can use the AutoSum feature on the ribbon for summing values. Just select your range and click the AutoSum button. That's all for today, folks. Now you know how to use the sum and average functions in Excel to analyze your data quickly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Nidus Tech, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Happy learning!